Hi everyone, Alaikum. Welcome back to our channel, The Drifters Club. In this video, we will talk about how hackers hack our passwords. Now, if we created an account on Instagram or Gmail, in which we store our password as 123456, then this password is not stored as a plain text. All the companies on the internet, everyone has their own passwords. What does the algorithm do in the housing board? You clean the password letters and delete its key and put it in the bottom of such a cartridge that you will not be able to recognize, and then it is hard to go to our database and inside the stores where there is a residential algorithm. Like each and every company on the internet has their own hashtag algorithm. Then what does this algorithm do? Then how hashing algorithms work? This algorithm just take your plain text password and then convert into the change its form and then take these characters in such form that we can't recognize, and then this hashed form stored in our database. There are many hashing algorithms present in our market. For example, SHA-1, SHA-256, MD5, MD6, and so on like these. For example, if you go out to make account on Instagram, first of all you have to tell your full name, then your username. This information will be stored with the company of your phone, then your email is in it, which is your name or your username. It will be stored as usual, but your password will be sent to the hashtag algorithm first. Then after converting the algorithm from there, we will store it separately inside the database. So even if there is a data breach inside Instagram or its data is leaked, then all your other information will come to the hacker, but still he will not be able to enter your account because he didn't have your original password. But in the past, hackers have hacked the data of all the companies, not of Instagram, Uber, Twitter, and their dominoes. Expenditure of their data has been leaked. Now the one who will apply the most technology. Rainbow tables are available on the internet. Inside these tables, which most common use passwords and their heads are present. So who is in the hands of your password will match them. Then this rainbow table will match your hashtag form password with the hash form of that algorithm which is present in the table. Password is matched with the algorithm of this table, then your password will be hacked and the user can enter your password, enter your account. Guys, I will tell you how to secure your YouTube account. So go to your YouTube channel settings. Whenever it's loading, then you all guys please subscribe our channel for our motivation. That's why we will be motivated and make more videos regarding these. So guys, here's this page is open in front of you. Then click personal information and click password. Here you enter your password in this dialog box and then click next. Here you type your new password in this box and then confirm new password and click change password. I will not fill this form in front of you because it's a secured information. You also shouldn't share your password with anyone else. Here your password is changed and then get started. Your account is secure. Hope you guys like these videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Listens for everyone, but do whatever you want. Bye bye, take care.